hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Talim. So today I have a very good news for you. So finally Kasta is launching their IEO initial exchange offering on Bybit exchange. So at 8 hours ago Bybit tweeted a post in which they said Kasta will be live on their launchpad. So this is a huge big news for Castians. So this is a very big news. In this video I am gonna show you that how you can participate in Kasta IEO, Kasta initial exchange offering, and how to buy Kasta tokens in very less price. Okay, so today Bybit has announced that it will launch Kasta token on their launchpad. So I am gonna show you all the process step by step, so make sure to watch the video till the end and make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you will not miss any update from this Kasta token. Okay, so first of all, Kasta token will be launched on Bybit exchange. So in order to participate in Kasta token IEO, you have to create account on Kasta. You have to create account on Bybit. Okay, so I have given the link of the Bybit exchange in the description. So when you click on the link from the description, you will see this interface. Okay, so just you have to enter your email account, okay, and enter your password, and you just have to click on continue and create account. Okay, so when you create account from my link, you will get extra benefit, extra some dollars. Okay, a bonus. Okay, so this is a step you must have to create account on Bybit. So create the account on Bybit from below link. Okay, so Kasta is so finally is the day that Kasta is launching on Bybit. So when you create account on Bybit, simply download the application from Play Store and click on and open the Bybit exchange. Okay, so here I will here you can see that market is market is pumping right now. So I am gonna show you how to participate in Kasta IEO, how to participate in Kasta launchpad. So here when you create account on Bybit, just open the app and here you can see the launchpad option. Okay, here you can see the launchpad option, so you have to click on launchpad, and when you click on launchpad, here you can see all the projects on Bybit that that have been from IEO. So here you can see there are total 8 projects and total committed amount and total participants. Okay, so here you can see the launchpad Kasta launchpad is coming up this week, and this is very huge news for all Castians. So you just have to click on view more, and here you just have to click on Kasta. Okay, so here you will get all the detail of Kasta token launchpad on Bybit. So total tokens for this launchpad will be 25 million Kasta tokens, and one Kasta token price will be 0.04 USD. Okay, so that's very low price, and when this Kasta trading will open, this price will obviously pump, this price will obviously go very up. Okay, so you can maximum get 9500 Kasta tokens. So here you can see all the details. Uh, you must have to be verified on Bybit. So in order to participate in this Kasta IEO, you have to you have to complete KYC level 1. So here you have to complete level 1. You have to verify your nationality and give their ID number. Okay, so you can complete the identity verification first. So after you completed identity verification, you have to click on launchpad, and here you can see all the details of the launchpad. Okay, so subscription will be start in 7 days and 9 hours. Okay, 9 hours. So in order to participate in Kasta Launchpad, you have to stake bit token. Okay, you have to hold, you have to hold, and you can actually read all the details here. You can read actually all the details, but I will tell you that here you can see that uh, bit bit balance. Okay, so in order to participate in Bybit Kasta Launchpad on Bybit exchange, you have to hold minimum 50 bit tokens. Okay, so I am gonna show you that which bit tokens. So here you have to CoinMarketCap. Here I will search BitDAO. Okay, so this token price is $1.8 right now. So this is dumping right now. So this bit token is required to participate in Kasta Launchpad. So you must have to your spot wallet must have to hold minimum 50 bit tokens right now, which is value is about $90. Okay, so in order to participate in this launchpad, your spot wallet, sport account or Wi-Fi account must have balance of 50 bit or above. Okay, so here you can see all the details. This you must have to complete KYC level 1. So this is first condition, and second condition is your daily average amount of bit in your sport account, Wi-Fi account and derivative account from 31 December to 4 January 2022 must be equal or greater than 50 and will be rounded up to the. Okay, so basically you have to hold more than 50 bit tokens, right? Okay, so if you don't have bit tokens, you can buy from Bybit exchange. I will show you in the next. Okay, so this is all the details. You just have to hold bit tokens from 31 December to 4 December, and your balance must be greater than 50 bit. Okay, so here you can see all the details. So 5. Okay, so here snapshot period in the 5 days your bit in sport account will be snapshot, and in the on 5 January 2022 you have to commit your bit tokens. Okay, so so if you have participated in the Binance Launchpad, you know that you have to commit your BNB in order to participate in Launchpad. So this is the same process on Bybit exchange. You have to commit your bit tokens on 5 January 2022 3:30 okay UTC time. So after some time your tokens will be distributed according to your bit balance. Okay, so after some hours Kasta and USDT pair will be launched on Bybit. So this is the all the information on how you can participate in Kasta Launchpad on Bybit. And so you can see all the details here. So in order to participate here, you have to you have to hold some bit tokens. So if you don't have bit tokens, you can actually buy from here. You have to click on markets and you can actually search bit token. Okay, bit token. So this is the bit token. Okay, so this is the token you can buy. You have to buy and you have to hold, and bit token balance must be greater to 50. Okay, so here you can buy the bit tokens and hold them till 4 January. Okay, so this is the process of participating in Kasta token.